Hey guys, so I've been seeing some posts about Type Rs and Integra Type S's being stolen recently. It seems like theft is on the rise, and I figured I'd make a quick video on how to do some things to prevent or deter your car from being stolen. And I'll actually do a series of videos on different items that you can do. In this video, I'm going to talk about an OBD lock, and we're going to do an unboxing. Basically, I'll show you the product and how to install it. It takes less than 5 minutes, and it can really help you, or at least deter thieves from stealing your vehicle. But basically the way this works is thieves, they'll usually, they'll break your window, they'll open the door, and they'll plug in a key cloning device into your OBD port. And once it's plugged in, they run it, and they basically clone the key. So they could start your car and drive off with it, and that's how a lot of cars are being stolen nowadays. So this serves as a physical barrier. They can't plug in the OBD device or cloning device into the OBD port. This specific kit that I have here requires a special key to release it, so they can't use simple tools to basically take it off. As always, if somebody really wants your car, they could still find a way to steal it, or they could tow it away or whatever, but at least this serves as a deterrent, and the whole point here is to slow them down, or maybe even get them to just leave your vehicle alone, knowing that it's not going to be an easy job for them. All right, so let's start with the unboxing, and then we'll do an install. All right, so we're going to do a quick unboxing here and see what's all included as part of this package here. So let's see it, and as you can see, it's this VTT OBD-LOCK non-GM version is what I got. So, but yeah, it looks like I got a knife here. Let's cut through it. All right, so we got looks like we got a little sticker here. This vehicle is protected by VTT OBD-LOCK stop, so you can put that on your window if you want. And it looks like this is part of the install tool. And we also have, this looks like it's part of your keychain. It's probably where you keep the lock, so you could attach that to your keychain. So we got that. Got the tool. Okay. And we also have this. This is the part that goes on that you install. Okay. This is the special key. All right, guys, so here's the kit. This is what's all included. So you get a little sticker that you could put on your window, letting others know that, hey, there's an OBD lock. Don't try to break in, otherwise you're gonna have a hard time, basically. I don't know if the sticker is something you should include or not, if you want to let them know, or if you want to surprise them that there's a device that's installed in the OBD port. Also, this kit comes with a tool, the key, and the keychain, so you can have the tool with you, basically. But yeah, this is all that's included, and we'll go ahead and install the kit. So here's the OBD port before the install, and you'll see it down here. This is where we're going to be installing the OBD lock. All right, let's get started on this install. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Comment down below if there's anything else that you think I should do to my Type R to protect it, or if there's any other mods that you recommend. I'm going to be making more videos on how to deter and prevent thieves from stealing your car. In the next video, we're going to talk about steering wheel locks. So check it out. I'm gonna have the link as part of this video. But if you're interested in this product, I just want to mention that I bought this with my own money. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. They have great reviews, great products. So I went ahead and bought it. And but if you do want to support the channel, I've included the link down below. If you use the link to buy the product, it helps me out as well. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a good day.